Hello and welcome back to another day of Nextdoor Automation. My name is Eric. I provide automation services to business owners who wants to boost their online visibility. I do daily videos and my robot is providing automation so that business owners can focus on servicing their customers instead of being online all the time. So today I'm going to address a topic on how to get more leads if you have a nail salon business. And let's dive right away in the topic. So I'll develop 8 points that I think are very important. The first one is you have to start by creating your Nextdoor conversion funnel. So what do I mean by a conversion funnel? That means you have all your profiles set up properly. First, your personal profile, show your face. That's where you will be posting most of the time. Add a bio, add a banner picture, add your face, the logo picture. That always increase trust. The second one is your business page, your business profile. So you can put your storefront picture as a banner, fill all the elements required, whether you have website, email address, if you have also a Google My Business account, do not hesitate to link it. Add a lot of pictures and videos, collect favorites from your friends and customers and family, collect recommendations, and I'll leave a video here on how to collect recommendations. And lastly, very important, create your group. Your group will be a topical group, which will be related to nails, of course, and that's where you will be posting everything. Why do you want to have a group about nails? Is because that's a way to get warmer leads. And if you want to know more about why you should have a group, I'll put also another video here. And when people join this group, you send them a welcome message and you redirect them to a landing page, for example, and that's how you collect leads. Remember, you are only there not forever on social media such as Nextdoor. You can be kicked, you can be banned, and emails are your, let's say, the core of your business, because you can always contact people later on without any restriction. So that's the point number one. The point number two, I would say it's very important in your group when you post to show your personality. Do not be scared to show your face, or you can show you working and show the before and after the nails, film the video of nail session. I don't know the vocabulary, you know definitely better than me. And you have to be unique. I think the best way to differentiate from any other nail salon. And very important is to get regularity and planning. And you can do that with automation, but you can also do it without automation. But most important, plan ahead and be regular. Why you need to be regular in posting publications is because on Nextdoor, like on all other social media, when you post, your post will tend to disappear with time. It will be buried under other publications, and if somebody see your post and the next person who will be connected at a later stage might not see your post. So if you post every day, you increase your chance of being seen by more people. And if you post everything in your group, when people join your group, they will see also your past publications. So that's a very big advantage. Your post will not be deleted unless you do it. And also I provide services to clean the group, because some people, when they see a big group, they tend to publish things that are not related to your group. Leave your group open, don't close it, because otherwise your post will not be seen by the rest of the people. So number three is don't forget to use the for sale and free section. It's a way to advertise your services, your products. Don't underestimate if you have some specific lotion or hydration lotion, whatever the vocabulary you use, or a specific not easy to find nail polish or things like this. Use this part of Nextdoor, is very useful because it will increase your visibility in general. The The other point is I strongly suggest that you use the event section that will appear in the discovery map here. So create events whenever, if you have the opportunity to service some of your customers outside of your nail salon, for example, if you go at some customers' home, you should organize an event and say, oh, by the way, next week I'll be in that area. Use the geolocalization, drop a pin on the map and say, I have another 2 or 3 slots during that day to service other people. That will increase also your visibility. The next point is when you're creating messages, post publications, be always simple and make it easy for people to contact you. The best way is to show your rates. Don't be shy. Don't tell people, oh, my rates, I'll send you my rates in direct messages. If people ask you your rates, they are warm leads. Don't add an extra step for them to make a decision. It has to be quick. Add your telephone number, as you add your email address, or make a link to your booking system if you have one on your website or outside of your website. Make it simple for people to connect because they want to make a quick decision instead of waiting for you to come back with the answer they're asking you. You can also offer some promo codes, but I would make a small caveat on making promo codes. Keep your promo codes for one-time promo code for new customers, for example, but you want to attract more people, not with promo codes discounting your basic rates, but to rather keep your basic rates and add extra services. So it's up to you to see what value your customer see in extra services that they would get an extra discount, and don't undersell yourself. The next point is you could offer a loyalty program and use a referral program. That's a way to increase your customer base, and that's a very easy way to get more customer. You can also collaborate with other businesses, and in combination with the previous one, let's say you are a nail salon, maybe you are a friend, or hair salon, maybe you can organize some combined promo events. You can create, or you can go to that nail salon, to that hair salon, and organize a common event, and again use the event section and find ways to develop your business by being seen with other businesses in collaboration. And the last part is do not hesitate to bring a lot of value when you make posts. You can create some workshops also as events, but when you make your daily video, just provide value. Try to educate people. Don't try to sell every day. Your, let's say, commercial intent post should be maximum once a week. The rest of the time you should bring value, educate people, and sometimes just telling nice stories. People just like to hear stories rather than to hear, oh, buy this and buy that, this is my promo code. People relate more to stories. You had a specific I don't know, fungus case or whatever, or this is the lovely old lady that you're servicing you can tell a story, and it's up to you to find what works best with your ideal customer. So that was my 8 tips packed in a very short time. So I link here a video for you to see my services if you're interested. If you don't have time to spend too much on Nextdoor, I help you organize all of this, and you will focus more on servicing your customers. Have a great day. Bye-bye.